The dietary supplement known as turmeric may be the most potent one available. Turmeric has significant health advantages for both your body and brain, according to numerous high-quality studies. Since curcumin is its primary active component, many of these advantages are due to it. Continue watching to learn about the benefits of turmeric and curcumin as well as what the science says about them. So what are turmeric and curcumin? Curry's yellow hue comes from the spice turmeric. It has been used as a spice and a medicinal herb in India for countless years. The traditional beliefs that turmeric includes chemicals with therapeutic benefits are now being supported by research. These substances are known as curcuminoids. Curcumin is the most crucial. The primary active component of turmeric is curcumin. It is a very potent antioxidant and has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Here are top 8 scientifically proven health advantages of turmeric and curcumin. Be sure to subscribe for more ways to take better care of your health, the natural way. 1. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with medical properties. Although turmeric has medicinal benefits and bioactive components, its curcumin level isn't very high. It's about 3% of the weight. The majority of investigations on this herb use turmeric extracts with dosages typically surpassing 1 gram per day, with curcumin being the main component. To achieve these levels alone by adding turmeric as a spice to your meals would be quite challenging. Because of this, some individuals decide to use supplements. Curcumin is not well absorbed into the bloodstream, though. Curcumin's bioavailability, or how quickly your body absorbs a chemical, needs to increase if we are to benefit fully from it. Consuming it with black pepper, which has piperine, is beneficial. The natural compound piperine increases curcumin absorption by 2000%. In actuality, piperine is present in the greatest curcumin pills, which significantly increases their potency. Additionally, fat-soluble, curcumin disintegrates and dissolves in fat or oil. Therefore, it can be wise to take curcumin pills along with a meal that has a lot of fat. 2. Curcumin is anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is quite significant. It aids in warding off outside intruders and aids in body damage healing. Although short-term, acute inflammation is advantageous, it can be problematic if it persists and starts to destroy your body's own tissues. Scientists now think that certain diseases and health issues may be influenced by chronic low-level inflammation. Heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, and a number of degenerative illnesses are among them. Because of this, anything that can be done to combat chronic inflammation may be useful in avoiding and treating these illnesses. The most important thing to remember about curcumin is that it is a bioactive chemical that can treat inflammation, despite the fact that the problem of inflammation is complex and there probably isn't a straightforward solution. However, in order to have a therapeutic effect, very high doses are needed. 3. Turmeric is high in antioxidants. One of the mechanisms thought to be responsible for aging and many diseases is oxidative damage. Free radicals, extremely reactive molecules with unpaired electrons, are involved. Important chemical molecules like fatty acids, proteins, or DNA often react with free radicals. Antioxidants are mostly helpful because they shield your body from free radicals. Due to the chemical makeup of curcumin, it is a powerful antioxidant that has the ability to combat free radicals. Additionally, research on animals and cells indicate that curcumin may inhibit the activity of free radicals and maybe promote the activity of other antioxidants. To substantiate these advantages, additional human clinical research are required. 4. Curcumin can lower your risk of heart disease. In the world, heart disease is the leading cause of death. For many years, scientists have researched it and have learned a lot about why it occurs. Unsurprisingly, there are many factors that contribute to and complicate heart disease. Numerous milestones in the development of heart disease may be helped by curcumin. Enhancing the functionality of the endothelium, the lining of your blood arteries, is perhaps curcumin's most important benefit in terms of heart disease. One of the main causes of heart disease is endothelial dysfunction. When your endothelium is unable to control numerous elements, such as blood pressure and blood clotting, this occurs. Numerous research indicate that curcumin may benefit heart health. Additionally, one study discovered that it works just as well for postmenopausal women as exercising. In addition, curcumin can lessen oxidation and inflammation, both of which have been linked to heart disease. Researchers randomized 121 patients undergoing coronary artery bypass surgery to receive either a placebo or 4 grams of curcumin per day for a few days prior to and following the procedure. The chance of having a heart attack while hospitalized was reduced by 65% in the group taking curcumin. 5. Turmeric may prevent cancer. Cancer is a condition marked by unchecked cell proliferation. Supplemental curcumin appears to have an impact on a variety of cancer types. Curcumin has been investigated as a useful herb in the treatment of cancer and has been discovered to have an impact on the growth and development of cancer. According to studies, it can help malignant cells die, lessen angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels in tumors, and lessen metastasis, spread of cancer. It has not yet been thoroughly investigated if high-dose curcumin, preferably with an absorption booster like piperine, can aid in the treatment of cancer in humans. Evidence suggests that it might, however, stop cancer from developing at all, particularly tumors of the digestive tract like colorectal cancer. In a 30-day research, 4 grams of curcumin per day reduced the number of lesions by 40% in 44 men with colon lesions that occasionally progressed to cancer. 6. Curcumin treats Alzheimer's disease. The most prevalent type of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, may be to blame for up to 70% of dementia cases. Although there are treatments available for some of its symptoms, Alzheimer's disease is still incurable. It is crucial to stop it from happening in the first place because of this. Curcumin has been demonstrated to pass the blood-brain barrier, therefore there may be good news on the future. Curcumin has advantageous effects on both inflammation and oxidative damage, which are known to contribute to Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, a buildup of protein tangles known as amyloid plaques is a crucial aspect of Alzheimer's disease. According to studies, curcumin can assist in removing these plaques. Curcumin's potential to reduce or perhaps stop the progression of Alzheimer's disease in people has to be further investigated. 7. Curcumin improves arthritis. Western nations frequently deal with the problem of arthritis. There are numerous varieties of arthritis, and most of them include joint inflammation. It makes obvious that curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties, could benefit arthritis. In reality, a number of studies have found a relationship. Curcumin outperformed an anti-inflammatory medication in a study on patients with rheumatoid arthritis. Numerous other studies that examined how curcumin affects arthritis found improvements in a number of symptoms. 8. Curcumin improves depression. The antidepressant curcumin has showed some promise. 60 depressed individuals were randomly assigned to one of 3 groups in a controlled experiment. Prozac was given to one group, 1 gram of curcumin to another, and Prozac with curcumin to the third. Curcumin had results comparable to those of Prozac after 6 weeks. The group who consumed curcumin as well as Prozac fared the best. This short study found that curcumin has comparable antidepressant efficacy. A brain region involved in learning and memory, the hippocampus, as well as lower BDNF levels are associated with depression. By raising BDNF levels, curcumin may be able to slow or stop some of these alterations. Additionally, there is some evidence to suggest that curcumin can increase serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain. There are numerous scientifically supported health advantages of turmeric, notably its most active component, curcumin, including the ability to protect against Alzheimer's disease and cancer. It has strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties. Additionally, it might lessen the effects of arthritis and melancholy. Although these advantages may exist, they are currently limited due to curcumin's low bioavailability, and further study is required. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.